My name is Aidos. I am biology teacher. I work at school number 4 in Satpaев city. I love my job and a lot of time passed before I choose my vocation. And when I was child, I thought I became a businessman. I dreamed of my opening my restaurant. And I constantly studied the service of different institutions and how managers work to provide service at the highest level. I wanted to do something for people to smile and be healthy and happy. But life has its plan. In the end, I'm here at school. But I'm still trying to do my job at high level and do something every day so that people, probably it will be more correct, students smile and will be healthy and happy. And well, it's really nice to work with such interesting people like this. Hello, meet this my friend. Her name is Koshanov, and she adopted this diet. And today we will talk about bones. Baby has 300 bones, but adult humans has 206 bones. But it's not correct information. Why? Let's watch the video.
Hi, this is David from Minute Earth, and I've got a bone to pick with anatomy textbooks. Almost all of them say that you have exactly 206 bones in your body, 28 in your skull, 64 in your arms, 52 in your trunk, and 62 in your legs. But those textbooks are way too sure of themselves. That's not just because there are plenty of people born without legs or with extra fingers or whatever. It's also that these books fail to account for the cartilage to bone spectrum. Our entire skeletons start out as cartilage. As we grow, some of that cartilage gets surrounded by special cells that lay down a dense tissue full of calcium, turning it to bone. When we're babies, only the very middle and the two ends of some of our bones have actually turned to bone. And since textbooks usually define individual bones as uninterrupted areas of calcium tissue, they consider babies to have way more bones than adults. Okay, so that's a little weird. But what's even weirder is that textbooks aren't consistent about the way they count bones. Fused bones in certain regions of the body, like in our skulls, seem to be more likely to get counted than others. Our brain case, for example, gets fused together in sutures by the age of 2 as all that cartilage turns to bone. Despite that fusion though, our textbooks still consider our adult upper skulls to be 22 different bones. Meanwhile, our somewhat useless tailbone fuses in a similar way, but our textbooks count it as only one bone. This is even more ridiculous when you consider that most people's tailbones aren't actually totally fused in the first place. And those textbooks also fail to acknowledge that there are lots of places in our bodies where, for whatever reason, some people convert cartilage to bone and other people don't. 30% of people have calcified at least one extra bean-sized bone behind their knees. 20% of people have an extra bone as part of their little toe, and 10% of us have an extra bone in our wrist. One guy was found to have made an extra 42 bones in his body, and he didn't even know about it until he got x-rayed. None of those bones are counted in the 206 we're used to, even though we do count even tinier, more important bones, like the stapes in our middle ear. If your body has decided to bone up, or even bone down, compared to the supposed 206 standard, you might not even know without getting a full body x-ray. But that spectrum does illustrate yet another bit of the incredible variation that exists in our species. Diversity that extends all the way down to our bones.
We can see adult human has more 200 bones, not bad actually 206 bones. So human bones has some function. First is movement. Our muscles contract and relax to produce force. This force is applied on the skeleton of that skeleton moves. Second function is protection our internal organs. For example, our ribs protects our heart and lungs. And third function is production bulk cells. For example, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and other. So we have X-ray. Actually, we have used X-ray for watching bones. We have X-ray. We need to tell which bones showing in the picture.
This is femur and tumor.
Okay. Next.
This is school.
Yes, right. Next.
This is with table.
Yes.
This is circle.
Wow.
Yes, right. Okay.
These are lungs.
Okay, right. Thank you. So, right. Next question. We will have skeleton picture. You need found the longest bones and shortest bones.
The very longest bone is femur.
Okay, right. Next.
Short bones are lungs.
Yes, right.
Same.
Okay. I sent you video question, and we will answer the question. And for yes. So see you. Goodbye. Hello.
I'm at a party I
Today
don't
we
wanna be
will
at,
talk about
and I don't ever wear a suit and
about
tie.
skeleton.
Wondering
Our
if I
bones,
can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody.